Good morning, koalas. I'm going to read a book today about maps. We've been looking at places on our globe in our classroom, so today we're going to learn about how maps are a little bit different. And Molly here is going to join us to teach you about maps. We have our table of contents. Remember, that tells us what page we could go to if we're looking for specific information. So if I want to know how maps work, I would go to page 9. So this is a fiction or a nonfiction? Right, a nonfiction. Finding the way. People look at maps to find places. Maps show the way to go. These kids want to see lions. How do they know where to go? They look at a map of the zoo. I bet lots of you have looked at maps when you go to the zoo. How maps work. Look at a map. It is like looking down from the sky. Here is what a city looks like from a plane. It's kind of neat. You can see all the streets and buildings. Here is a map of the same city. Can you find the roads and water? So we saw the picture looking down from the sky, and this is what it would look like if they drew the map. So you can see the names of the roads and the same places. Many kinds of maps. There are many kinds of maps. A world map can show all the countries in the world. That looks the most like our globe, doesn't it? It looks like they cut the globe and flattened it out. A map can show one country. This is a map of the United States. Can you find the state where you live? Here's Missouri, where we live. People use road maps when driving to a place. The map shows what roads to take. And if mom or dad use a GPS or the maps on their phone, it shows it close up, just like a map that you could unfold and look at. Floor plans are maps of indoor places. This floor plan is of a home. How is it like your home? I bet in your home you have a kitchen and a bedroom and a living room. A weather map shows where it might rain or snow. Look at this weather map. What kind of weather do you see? Down here in our map key, it shows us that a sun means sunny weather. A dark cloud with raindrops coming out means it's rainy. Just dark clouds means cloudy, and the snowflake means snowy. That's what we see when we watch the news. Globes. People look at globes to see the world. A globe is round like Earth. We know that. We found a lot of our countries at Christmas time on a globe. You can see all around the world with a globe. Spin a globe to see how Earth turns. And we did an experiment like that when we talked about the sun, moon, and stars. A globe shows the world's water and land. Do you see oceans on the globe? Of course we do. What color are they? Blue, right? Looking at maps and globes help people learn about places. What will you use to find your way today? Now we know a globe shows the whole world, but if we want to see something up close, like a city or a state, we would have to use a map to see more details. All right. Thanks, koalas. I hope you learned the difference between maps and globes. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.